Hi, my name is Naveen Johny, and I'm going to explain a CPP program on base address calculation and address calculation of an array. So, this is my question. It's for calculating row measure and column measure address of an array. So, this is my program. Hash blue diagram is the header file for basic input and output operations. And using namespace std is a standard library function. So I have declared some integer values in global variables. As you can see in the ijk, m, and s. Then in the array of 10, in the pointer address and pointer base address in the array of 10. As you can see here, this is for three-dimensional array and this is for two-dimensional array. So address calculation of a two-dimensional array. I declared a function matrix and inside that given the command to enter the number of rows. So the input value will be stored in M. After that, I have given the command to enter the number of columns and the input value will be stored in M. Here I have calculated the base address of the input values. Base address equal to and array of 00. This and is for address calculation and 00 is the very first element of the array. So base address represents the address of the very first element of the array. And here I have given the calculations for calculating the row major address. So row major address equal to base address plus I into n plus j into 1. This 1 is the size and n is the number of columns and BA is the base address that we have calculated here. And the result here, this address is uh, printed here using a shared segment and calculated address is add, that is the address. So next I have created a function for three-dimensional arrays. So here we have three components, that is the rows, columns and sets. So I have given commands to intake all these values and you can see here enter the number of rows m, enter the number of columns n, enter the number of sets s. And base address as a calculated here. Here also I calculated the base address using formula b equal to address of array of 000 will be the first element of the three-dimensional matrix. And this is for calculating the row measure of the three-dimensional array. So the formula as you can see here, base row measure address equal to base address plus I into row into column plus j into row plus set. That is the formula for calculating. And one is the size of the array. So calculate the address. Calculated address is add. That is this add. This it's for printing the output. So here I declared the in the main function, and it said that I have declared all these above functions. So as you can see here, matrix of and row measure order. Here I declared a nested for loop for I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. For j equal to 0, j less than m, j plus plus. And the address is displayed on screen with this statement, cout array of ij. This is for row measure order, and here is for column measure. As you can see here, it's column measure order, and for j equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. For I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus. This is another nested for loop, and the address is printed here. So this thing is for two-dimensional array. Now I have done the same thing for three-dimensional array. Here I use the three for loops for printing the what is say printing the row, column, and the sets of the matrix. So that's all the program, and now let's check the output. It's asking to enter the number of rows. So it will calculate the two-dimensional arrays. So I'll give some values, 2, 3. As you can see here, row major order is calculated. Yes. And column major order is calculated. Now for three-dimensional array, it's again asking the enter the number of rows. I'll give 2, again 3 and 4. So this is the result. Here you can see the row major orders. Here is the column major orders. This is the program. So that's all. Thank you for watching.